Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite, and let me share with you how to add a photo to a contact in this device. So firstly, let's tap on the dialer and tap on your contacts. Now let's find the contact you'd like to edit and tap on it, and choose this camera icon right here. And as you can see here, we've got actually 3 different options from which we can choose. Firstly, we can choose the avatars, which are defaultly installed here. So as you can see here, we've got some highlighted ones, but after tapping on this plus icon, we can also choose from the categories. We've got much more options to choose from. Of course, you can choose it. If not, if you don't like it, just tap on this minus icon right here and it immediately disappears. What's more, we've got 2 other options. We've got the gallery and camera, and by tapping on the camera, we can actually your device will open the camera app, so it means that you will be able to take a photo of the person. So this is the best option to choose if you've got the person right in front of you, or simply you can choose something from the gallery. So obviously I will pick the gallery. Here you have to add permissions, so simply tap on allow, and as you can see, we have been transferred to the gallery, and all you have to do is simply tap on the option you'd like to use. So let me pick this one, for example, and from this step we can adjust the size of this square, and thanks to the square and the circle actually, and thanks to this we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact, because the square and circle area is responsible for what will appear on our contact list. So if you're happy with your choice, just tap on done. And as you can see, it immediately appears in the place where we've previously had the avatar. So if you're happy, just tap on save, remember about that. And as you can see, it immediately changes and it is also visible on our contact list. So actually that's all. This is how to add a photo to a contact in your Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.